So, good afternoon to all. Am I audible? Please everybody respond. It's already late.
Yes,
My
yes.
colleagues are already in busy schedule, yet to join later on. Okay, we'll proceed now. Let me introduce myself first. See, let me introduce myself. Myself, P.R. Banerjee. I am a freelancer, Python developer, data scientist, cybersecurity. This is my LinkedIn profile. So we are in different era. For the last 3 years, I can say we are, for the last 1 year, we are in different era. That is, we are thinking about AI. So that's why I've started this webinar, what actually AI is and what AI is going to do for us, especially for the educators. Let me tell you, for educators, AI is a boon. AI is a boon. How it is a boon? If earlier we were talking about literacy, we are literate or not, then we are started talking about computer literacy. Now there I have reached, we will talk about AI literate, whether we know about the AI or not, because until and unless we are acquainted with the AI, how AI is going to help us, we will be far behind from others, because AI is very helpful. First of all, is helpful, time consuming, and it can handle complex works in few minutes, we can say. I will show you some examples. So let's start the today's seminar. Unlock the power of AI. What is the power? What actually AI is? AI stands for artificial intelligence. Intelligence, as you all know, that what is intelligence? Intelligence is nothing. It is the thinking process of a human, but what we are calling as a intelligence. The work, different types of works are done or being done by the different persons in their own way, but the correct way with less time, if a person is taking to do that work, so that is more beneficial, that is that person's AI. But here AI, we are talking about the machine. It means whatever the intelligence the human brain have, that we are embedded into the system. It means computer or the digital system will also work, also behave as like human beings. For that, many research have been done. Finally, last year in September, ChatGPT launched that, and it has revolutionized the complete world. In every era, this ChatGPT is being now used. Now the competitor is also Google, have also started just few months back, Google Bard. So what actually is this? What is OpenAI? What is Google Bard? And what is Microsoft that talking about AI? So these are the two main AI model in the world now. We can say two Y, OpenAI and Google, and just now Microsoft have also started Microsoft Copilot. OpenAI is ChatGPT. OpenAI is the company and ChatGPT is the model. And Google is the company and Google Bard is the model. Here Microsoft is the company, Copilot is the model. So what they will do, how they will help us. I will show you practically each and everything, how fast we will do, and how in the easiest way we will think about the task and it will be accomplished if we are using AI. Now, what we are going to take away from this session today? What is AI? Exploring real world applications, personalized learning experiences, and how will you boost your student engagement? How will you analyze your classroom? Now, what is AI? The simulation of human intelligence in machines that learn and solve problems without explicit programming. It's a one line definition and very easy to understand. I will explain this. Simulation means the process we are thinking, human, the same way if the machine is thinking and can solve our problem. But machine have advantage that it can do more faster than us, and also there's a chance of error is very negative. Just like automatic car is there, we are simply putting the switches and touch screen is there, we simply go there and just do the things, means we will just know how, we should know how to operate that automatic car. Simply touch screen is there, start the car, ignition on, AC on, just will touch, and we don't have to bother about what's going on behind this. That is AI. So we have to know about the instruction set. How will you instruct the AI model? So that instruction set we have to know. And it's a very easy, very easy. As a student of standard 5 can also give the instructions to AI model. AI model is nothing. It's a completely a set of programs and intelligence. Already trained models are there. So we have to know how to give the instructions to that AI model. So AI is simply a simulation of human intelligence in machines that learn and solve problems without explicit programming. Means we don't have to bother how it is created, what process is going on behind that, nothing to do. Only we should know how to give a correct instructions to the AI model. So we'll learn about the AI model, that what we are calling it as an AI prompt. Now, what AI can do for the educator? There's a many things. I am not going into about that. I will show you practically. See, just headings. Personalized learning. Personalized learning means AI algorithms can analyze individual student performance and learning styles to provide personalized learning experiences. Then is automated grading and assessment for the educators. Automatic grading, real-time feedback. You can easily understand what is real-time. Instantly, we can easily assess the student. What is the student's motive? How, in which way students are going? How much? How? What is the potential of the student? Real time, we are getting the information. Grading, real time, we can grade. Will grade get the grade of the student of the assignment. Data analysis for informed decision making. At the real time, we can take a decision about the work, any type of teaching methods or any type of assessment if we have done already, and in the real time we can do data analysis, real time, everything in a short span of time. Chatbots for support. There are some chatbots for getting the answers, what we'll do, what, how this will happen, what is the process, what, when, everything, all the answers will be getting from chatbots. Now, virtual classrooms and tutoring, automated lesson planning, language translation and accessibility. So these are the features of an AI model for educators like you, identifying learning gaps, professional developments, and many more yet to do. Very hard to explain what more can do. It means unlimited options are there, and daily we are getting new options, new features for AI model as it grows. Actually, it is a model. As much as it gets trained, the more features can come out from the AI model. Now exploring real world applications. Now to explore the real world applications using AI. If you want to do any task using AI or accomplish any task, we have to know prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? This is very important in the case of AI. So what is prompt engineering? The term you all might have heard about nowadays. It's always everywhere in the online website, in YouTube, in Facebook, in Instagram. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering. It's a new branch, you can say, of engineering. But this is this type of jobs can be done, by the non-technical users, more user friendly. Why? I will tell you later. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering means I will instruct the AI model, the way of giving the instructions to the AI model. It depends on how you are giving the instructions. So there are different types of instructions that we have to explore and we have to give that instructions. So what is prompt engineering? The art of guiding AI. How we are guiding, how we are giving the instructions, how we are feeding the instructions, how what we want to do actually that we have to give in the form of instructions to the AI model. Now, prompt engineering, it is a process of crafting the perfect input. Perfect input. Input should be perfect to elicit the desired response from a large language model. Language model means already different types of algorithms are feeded to get the actual result. Okay, these are the language models. What we are calling it as LLM, like ChatGPT or Google Bard. So the way we will use the word, we will use the syntax, we will paraphrase it. It depends on the prompt engineering, how we are proceeding it. It's like giving an artist specific instructions to create a masterpiece. By carefully crafting the prompt, you can unlock the full potential of these powerful AI tools and achieve remarkable results. It may be in any field. We have to prompt the actual instructions, simple instructions. It will be in the simple way. If you want in more detailed output, we have to instruct that model in that way. Why is prompt engineering important? Already just now I've told, to control the output as per our need, improve accuracy, we'll get the accurate result, boost creativity. Prompt engineers allows you to push the boundaries of AI's capabilities, exploring new and unexpected directions in text generation. So prompt engineering, we will go through this prompt engineering. There are different types of prompt engineering, different ways. So why we need it? To control the output as per our need, improve accuracy, more accuracy we'll be getting it, and boost our creativity. Key elements of effective prompts. First, your prompt should be clear, clarity. In your prompt means the instructions, it should have a clear instructions. Use simple and unambiguous language to avoid misinterpretations by the AI. Specificity. Provide as much context and detail as possible to guide the LLM toward the desired output. As much context and detail as possible for the accuracy. Then the structure. Organize the prompt into clear sections for better understanding and execution. Your structure of the instruction should be well organized, well structured. Last is the style. Specify the tone. Tone means what type of instructions we are giving. We are giving in angry mood, we are giving in a jolly mood, or what type of tone you want the output to have, whether it's a formal, informal, humorous, angry, happy, what type of tone, that is the style. Now, this is one just giving one example I am giving here. Later on, we'll show you directly or giving the prompt to ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, if I type simply, write a poem about the beauty of nature. See the prompt. Write a poem about the beauty. I want to use the word beauty of nature, using vivid imagery and metaphors. Vivid imagery and metaphors. So what the result is coming? Amazing. A shimmering tapestry of green and gold. See how ChatGPT has started this. The forest unfolds before my eyes. Sunlight dances on emerald leaves. Sunlight dances on emerald leaves, painting dapple patterns on the mossy ground. Everything is being used, beauty of the nature, vivid imagery, and metaphors. Everything is being used by ChatGPT in the result. Simple, this is simple a poem. Just an instruction I am showing you. I will do more later this type of prompts soon. Now, if I give the instruction to Google Bard, see, Google Bard prompt. What is the prompt here? Summarize. The word used first is summarize the key findings. Summarize means we have to jot down together. Summarize the key findings of a recent scientific study on climate change. On climate change using concise and factual language. So I have used the word here summarize. So what is the result? The study published in Nature concludes that global temperature are rising at an unprecedented rate, primarily due to human activity. The authors warn of the severe consequences of inaction, including rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and mass extinctions. See the prompt and see the result. If if I write in another way, the prompt simply write the recent outcome of the scientific study on climate change. So this result ChatGPT will not give because they have the word use the word in Google Bard summarize the key findings. Key findings. So these are the different types of prompt. There are various categories of prompt. We will discuss it later on. Next. So these two, Google Bard and this ChatGPT, they are the industry leaders now everywhere. Whether you are using MS Office, Word, Excel, everywhere these can be embedded and all type of purposes can be fulfilled, whether it's for sales or for education, for industry, or for research, or mostly it is used in health industry, everywhere. Now, by mastering the art of prompt engineering, you can unlock the full potential of AI and unleash its power to write compelling stories, solve complex problems, and bring your imagination to life. Just now, I'm telling about that. Prompt engineering is a job for non-technical persons. Why? Because of this. Because we have the person who will master the art of prompt engineering. So person who have a word imagination power, mostly the language teachers, English teachers can get this mastery of prompt engineering very fast. This is today's one survey report, AI in education to hit 88.2 billion by 2032. It's report. Today's article, just now I got it and I pasted it here. See, AI in education, only in education I'm talking about 88.2 billion. Now I'll show you the practically how prompt engineering we can use it, we can share it and to solve our problem. Before that, one again the same question, why prompt engineering isn't strictly for technical people? Isn't strictly for technical people. Why? See, while exceptional prompt engineers possess a rare combination of discipline and curiosity when developing good prompts, they also leverage universal skills that aren't confined to the domain of computer science. Maybe a person who is good in technically in computer programming may not have a good language power or word power. So prompt engineering needs a language teachers. Language teachers can be more successfully compete with these prompts. The rise of prompt engineering is opening up certain aspects of generative AI development to creative people with more diverse skill set. And a lot it has to do with no code innovations. Tweeting in January 2023, Andreas Karpathy, Tesla's former director of AI, stated that what he has stated, see, hottest new programming language is English. Hottest new programming language is English. Because prompt we have to give the prompts in English, and though English literature teachers or the persons who have a good command on English or the English phonetically very sound can be a successful prompt engineering and can accomplish its task The hottest new programming language is English and this capacity. While some organizations like the Boston Children's Hospital, see, have posted job ads seeking prompt engineers with several years of engineering, developer, or coding experience. A strong engineering background isn't always a requirement for the role. Anna Bernstein, for example, was a freelance writer and historical research assistant before she became a prompt engineering at copy.ai and in its job posting for a prompt engineer. Anthropic means that a high level familiarity with the operation of LLM is desirable, but they encourage candidates to apply even they do not meet all the criteria because she know that these criteria are technical person's role is nowhere in prompt engineering. A layman have a good command of literature, good hello. So prompt engineering is basically is a non-technical job and a person who have a very good command on language or literature or English or in any other language. Gradually, not only in English, very soon we will be getting it in all the languages mostly used in the world. They can be a good prompt engineer and a prompt engineers can only accomplish this task through AI very successfully. So let's start do some practical of prompt engineering. I will show you. Anybody have any query till now? You can post a message in chat. So let's start with first ChatGPT, then we'll go for Google Bard. I will instruct the ChatGPT. Just a minute, I'm sharing. So how will you start this ChatGPT? It's very easy. Anybody can use. Just type here, go to Google search engine, and just simply you type here ChatGPT. Simple ChatGPT. Press enter key. This is the very first link. Whatever you are getting it, this green slide green icon is there. Simply you click here, ChatGPT. Just click here. Now already I have logged in, that's why not asking for me for logging. Otherwise, you have to sign up there. Just put your email address, sign up there, and you can start. This screen you will be getting it. Now here it's written here, send a message. So let's talk. Just like it means I have to talk with this ChatGPT model. Let's write, who are you? Let's see what the answer comes. Who are you? See, I am a ChatGPT, a virtual assistant powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT 3.5 language model. I'm here to help answer your questions and provide information on wide range of topics. How can I assist you today? It's just like an assistant, virtual assistant. Let's ask some questions. Let's write a story. For my friend. Who wants to play always? See what ChatGPT will respond. See how fast it is. Amazing. Amazing. See, many lines written by this ChatGPT. Eternal game, once upon a time in quantity, everything is written. A small game is there, and now I have this is the prompt. Simple prompt. Write a story for my friend who wants to play always. This is a prompt. Now this is the story. I want to ask some questions from the story. I want to prepare some questions. Let's do that. From the above story. Prepare some questions from the above story. See how nicely it's formatted. See, there are 10 points, 20 questions is formatted. Just in a fraction of a second, hardly I think it's taken 10 to 15 seconds to write a story and prepare the questions. This is the easiest prompt I have taken, but prompt engineering, there are many other different ways to get more better output. Let's do some more questions from this. Or let's write a song for the child who loves winter season. See, chorus, verse 2, chorus. Oh my God, how many paragraphs is written by ChatGPT? Even we cannot imagine a single paragraph so fast. So this is AI. We are also thinking, but this type of song, if a person able to write, the person need maybe 1 week or 1 month, I don't know, or 1 day. But this AI model have written so fast. In a world dressed in white, where the snowflakes gently fall, there's a child with bright eyes. This is a chorus, verse 2, chorus. So everything, how this can help educators a lot. Now let's do something more. Prepare questions or fill in the blanks from above. Let's see. See, options are given. We have to choose the right option and fill there. So variety of ways how we instruct it. Let's write one more. Prove that 1 is equal to 2. 1 is equal to 1. Let's see what the answer will be. Statement 1 equal to 1 is a basic mathematical expression accepting the equality of two values. See how much explanation this ChatGPT is giving mathematics and logic. The symbol double equal to denote equality. The statement 1 is equal to 1 is a tautology, meaning it is always true. This is fundamental principle mathematics and the basis. So anything, any type of question, not only mathematics or English, any type of what is break even point? Let's see what the answer. See, See the formula. I have asked only what is break even the formula and all is given. So no need to search a book or a Google. Simply you will get the exact answer in ChatGPT. If you Google it, you will get the millions of links and you have to click it. You have to choose it. But here you are getting the exact answer what we need. Simply I have asked what is break-even point. So fixed cost, variable cost, then it shows the formula, everything well explained. Everything you can see. Now let's do one more. Prove uh, Pythagoras theorem. See, this is a basic mathematical question I have asked. Everything unimaginable. So nowadays, you find that the students are very smart. Suddenly, you find that the student who is not attending the classes, even attending the class, not doing homework or not learning, the student doing the homework and all everything every day, you will be definitely we all will think that the students is now very serious, but not serious. This is the serious factor because kids are tech savvy and technologically very smart nowadays. They must be using this AI. So we all educators must be aware of from these things, otherwise very difficult to deal with these students. So we must well, also must be trained enough for this AI model. Let's move to Google Bard. So from ChatGPT, we will get every type of answers, every type of answers. Let's try one more prompt. Suppose I want to prepare a medical report, any diagnostic medical report. So let's try how. Prepare a diagnostic report. About my health, my blood pressure and sugar level always very high. So how ChatGPT will prepare a report for you? See, first is written what are the reasons maybe first already written. I'm not a medical professional and information provided here is not substitute for professional medical advice. Still, reasons for high blood pressure and elevated sugar levels. See, giving the hints. Now I can write more. Suppose positive diagnostic report or above. See, positive diagnostic report. The way of report writing is changed now. Diagnostic report, patient name, age, gender, date of examination, blood pressure, blood sugar levels, everything, additional tests, everything as in the medical profession, they are using the words and all, everything. So this is the positive diagnostic report. Let's write the negative diagnostic report about what negative diagnostic report. See, Now let's write one advertisement for social media. Start my coaching classes for nursery students. See what ChatGPT will suggest on how to write. See, see the title, the catchy title. Enrich your child's learning journey with fun and educational nursery coaching. I've written here nursery. That's why journey with fun and educational. See how intelligent the ChatGPT is. What I want. See playful learning environment, experience and caring instructors, interactive curriculum, small size classes, virtual in-person options. Enroll now and enjoy special benefits. This is a very simple prompt I have given. So these are the different types of prompts how to instruct. I have written here start my coaching classes for nursery students. That's why this report is changed. Enroll now, enjoy special value, early bird discount, free trial classes, refer a friend bonus also, secure your child spot. Today, spaces are limited. Anything, whatever to nowadays, if you find a video in YouTube or a post of Instagram or a post in WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever it is, everything comes from AI. It's very fast, unbelievable result. Only we should know how to prompt that AI model. Write a USP for Honda car. Let's see. See. Honda drive the feature, embrace the exceptional. This is the automatically title is given. See. Front desk, no requirement of front desk persons first thing. Personal assistants means many persons, those who are already doing these things, if they are not aware about the AI, they will not be in that chair for very long because AI is taking up that responsibilities and giving quick decisions and far more result. So in a staff of only 2 to 3 persons, I can run a big company with this type of AI model. Can you imagine? I can handle 5,000 employees with 5 persons in the office. Everything will be done by AI. My finance, my HR, everything, my training, everything will be handled by this type of AI models. So very soon, AI will also adopt in the field in which persons are not thinking. See here, this colorful icon is also ChatGPT is giving here. This one, this one. Now, if you just, I have created this for social media advertisement. Now, if you try to type it, write one advertisement for social media to start my coaching classes for nursery students. So if you started typing this, first of all, this type of icon, very attractive icons they have used here. Also the colorful, the paragraph, the green tick marks, bold also. So it takes around 1 hour or so half an hour at least if you know, if you have very good English. Still, we are far lacking. Still, this type of advertisements in just a fraction of a second. Now let's do some tasks. If we are using MS Excel or Word, how it is going to help us. Let's see Google Bard first. So what you will type here? bard.google.com. See this magic. Now Google is Google. Actually, ChatGPT launched last year, and this just few months back. Google also in this industry for AI model. Now see, this is the interface. How beautiful it is. Already it's written here. Given the hint, understand, create, explore. Understand, create, and explore. Let's write the same question, same prompt or form. Write one advertisement for social media to start my coaching classes for nursery students. Okay. Now see. See how nice. Google also giving images also of the site. See. See how much beautiful it is. It's little different. So Google Bard will capture gradually. ChatGPT, mostly people are using ChatGPT, not Google Bard. But Google Bard, Google have more update because ChatGPT last year in November, September launched. So it have the updates of 2021, I think, not after that. But Google launched just this year. So Google is will give you more information, more informative, and more update. See this displays with picture also. One site is there. Is your child starting nursery soon? Do you want them to be confident, engaged, and ready to learn? Our fun interactive coaching classes are designed to give nursery. So how far it is well explained and managed with bullets, and all these bullets are there. Our classes are features of the class. We are offering free trial class. Everything is written. We don't go to any person to write this, to print this, nothing. Everything can be done by Google. Let's try one more question. Same question I will try. Same story. Write a song for the child who loves winter season. What Google Bard will give. See. In the same style, but it's different. These are the small tasks what I am explaining here. Now AI can do. You simply type the text. If you want any particular type of image, you just simply type the text and your image will be in front of you. Means text to image, this AI, and there are many AI sites are there. Simply copy and paste what you want. It will make image, create a video, create that audio from that text, everything with AI. So we don't have to bother how it's going. Simply we should know the prompts. What I mean to say prompts. Prompt engineering nowadays is a very big, means you can say buzzword in the market. Everybody wants to learn, and it's easy. And those who are have done mastery in the prompt engineering, they are getting highly paid, and every company is recruiting. And even if for our educators, it's a boom for us. If we know how to prompt the AI model, we can do miracle in our profession. Now, write a HTML. Basic of programming is HTML, from where we start our programming. Simply, I will write a HTML program. Simply, let's see what HTML program. Display 5 images of fruits. See, HTML program to display 5 images of fruits. So what Bard will do for me? Let me check. Even I have also not used Bard so much frequently. Just for the last 1 month, I have heard about it, not used much. See, HTML, doc HTML. You see, complete programming coding is being done well, defined format, even CSS. Those who know computer, they can easily understand. See, now to learn programming, now to do programming in any language, whether students are learning of Python or Java or C# or HTML, if they want to learn, they can learn a lot from this AI model. So these are codes are written. Simply will copy and paste this code in a notepad. If I open it in the browser, you will get a web page. This is simply a web page. Now blogging. Many of us have blogs and fond of blogs. They don't know how to write a blog, what to do, what are the features, where to click, how to learn, where to learn. Nothing. You have to do nothing. Simply write a blog content for tourists who want to visit Switzerland. See, they have given an image of Switzerland. And this is the content, nothing. You have to simply copy and paste this in a blog page. This is the content. No coding is required there. Simply open a blog and paste it. And you will find that if your content is good, you will be getting many traffic in your blogs. See, the page is ready. Blog page for Switzerland. Now, if Bard is more powerful because it's giving the images also. You can put these images and write what are the places to visit in Switzerland and what are the things we should, what are the things available. Everything is there. In that way, you can write many blogs if you are fond of writing a blog or any web page. Blog is free. Simply go to blogger.com and start a blog. Simply copy this and paste it in blogger.com. The blog will be ready. Just in 5 minutes, a blog will be ready. Now let's ask ChatGPT what are the different ways to earn online as freelancers. See what ChatGPT will suggest. Don't worry about the spelling. ChatGPT will understand the spelling mistake. See what are the different ways to earn online as freelancers? As a freelance writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, virtual assistants, online tutoring, content creation, many more. Oh my God, 20 different types ChatGPT suggested. As a freelancer, you can earn online. Let's ask the same question to Bart. See, it's more font is more beautiful, spacing is nice. See, more advanced ideas Bard is providing. See, even the links also. From here also you can start working. Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer, people per hour. You can get the freelancer works from this site is. See, nice. Oh my God. So everything is there with this type of language models. Anything is possible. Yes, anybody, any question? If you are silent, only I will speak. Yes. Any question? You are free to ask. Please ask. Are you listening or understanding the things or not, or any explanation more you need? No doubt. Getting very clear, sir. Thank you. If you will not respond, I think it's a boring lecture for me. If you will reply, I will be motivated. Every person needs motivation. I am also a human being. So nothing to understand is very simple textual information, no technical things still now I have explained. Anything or everything is very simple, very simple. But you have to be a very good listener first. If you listen the things what I have explained, I am sure you will be able to handle the AI model nicely. How you use AI for drawing? Sure. Drawing, there's a very special site is there, Midjourney is there. I will show you how to create. Just you type and you will get the drawings with HD quality, full HD quality. These are the basic simple prompts. But actually, if you want to learn prompt engineering, many more things are there. Many more. Here the prompts. What is prompt engineering? See, What is Google Bard? See, everything I have prepared for this today's webinar from this AI model only. What is Google Bard? Now, if you want to write a song in French, I don't know French, but I will write a song in French. See, write a song for your friend in French. See, what Bard will give you. See, if you know French, you can learn. It's written here. How nice it is. Now write a national song of our country, India, in Hindi. See, Google Bard is thinking now. Nation song I have written. It's giving different. Let's correct it. What Google understands. National song of India. Bharat Bhumi to Mera Ghar. Okay, now let's start. I will show you how you create a image with the text. For that, there are many apps are there, many sites are there, but my favorite is Midjourney. Let's see this Midjourney here. Now see, elephant in a class. Is it possible? Tell me what type of image you want to tell me. Just write in chat. Yes. Any type, any imaginary, which is not possible, but you think, tell me, I will create it. I will try. Yes, anybody? Any type of image you want. Can elephant fly? Yes. I will show you elephant can fly also. See. So these are the actually I have written elephant flying in sky in rainy season. See. Taking little time because it's coming from the same server. Little bit. See. Elephant flying in sky in rainy season. Can you imagine? This is Midjourney. There are many more apps are there. Leonardo is there, Midjourney is there, many more. You just go and Google, you'll find that. See, flying elephant. And quality, it's marvelous. See this elephant flying into rainy season. No artist can create what AI can create is my challenge. Unimaginary images can be created using this AI. So any type of image you can create. Let's see another one. So these are actually the prompts what we are using here. Let's see different prompt. Let's create one more image. Actually, in prompt, we have to explicitly explain and we have to write what you want. Otherwise, it will come automatically. So everything, even the background white, background black, color of the elephant. See, everything should be mentioned, right? I'm writing one more prompt. Create a image of white elephant in a elephant standing in between street of a busy road. Now you see, I've given detailed what is the requirement. This is the prompt. Even there are different prompts for different types of sizes of the image, the quality of the image. I've written here, create image of white while I've written say, but see how intelligent it is. I've written while, but easily understood. It's a elephant white. While I've written, that's why not white. In a busy road. Let it be white. See, let's copy this and try it again. So we have to write the prompt. The prompt meaning we have to again I have written that. Oh, it should be white. Now see this. Taking it later now, it's still not coming white. White background, little bit is not coming white. We are missing some of the prompts. We have to write the color of the elephant like that. More explanation this needs. See the quality. Even you can create storybooks. Most of the books sold in the online site like Amazon or all are created now with the help of AI. I will show you. I have also created one storybooks, anything. Simply you write the story, create the image and put it in PDF and that makes the storybook. I will show you the storybook. What is that storybook? Midjourney. Now see the images I have already created. Some of the see one storybook I'm showing you. Adventures of Leo. See, this is the storybook. See, the adventures of little Leo, a journey of motivation. See, prepare the story chapter wise and just write that what you want exactly. The same type of image will be created by AI as per your text. See, what is the chapter 5? The river of perseverance as Leo continued his journey. He reached the river of perseverance. The water flowed swiftly, and on the other side there lay a ground. So see that it matches the story and the text, the image with the text, which matches. You don't have to think where to get the story, where to get the image. Everything will be done by AI. See, back home with wisdom with magic maps. You can create storybooks now. So I have created the images. See this, and then I copied the text. Story is written by the AI. Just a minute, I will show you. See some AI images, AI wallpapers I have created. Actually, you can't use the images that you are getting from Google because it's a copyright issue. So you can create your own image. No, these images are explicitly created by me. There is no copyright issue on these images. For wallpaper, for using it in your projects and all everywhere. See, can you see the image enlarged? I don't think still is shared. Just a minute. Now you see this. See, this is the image. There is no copyright issue in all these images. It's created from my Midjourney. See, I have given the color options mixed. That's why this image have many multiple colors. The squirrel, see, see this golden tiger. And these things actually are selling in the Etsy, in Amazon as a wallpaper, as for students projects. These things are to creators are selling this as an online creativity, and these are being sold for each picture. 5 images, they are getting $1, $2 like that. And these many things, multiple color leaves and all, everything. Yes, anybody, any question? I want to show you Excel and also Word. Time, how much? It's half an hour more left. Okay. So let's see about 5 minutes break. I need just 5 minutes. Then I show you OpenOffice, how will you use Excel using AI. Yes, welcome back, you all. Now let's see how AI will help us in using MS Office. Let's see MS Office. I'm sharing the MS Office. Everybody know how to use MS Office? Yeah, Excel, Word. Sharing the page now. Okay, this is the MS Excel. I hope everybody can see this. Now in Excel also directly you can ask and prompt, or there are some inbuilt functions if you want to use AI. So without AI, let's see how we'll do. Suppose this is a name. Let's take a new sheet. Let's prepare one here. Name. This is price. Column price 1, price 2. I don't know how to add these two prices. This is the name of the product. Suppose XYZ is the product. I don't know how to add. There are some prices here, 200 and 300. Okay. But I know that the price, first price is in B1, sorry, B2. There is B2 written, B2, and second price is in C2. B2 and C2. I don't know how to add and putting this total here. So let's ask ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT how to do this. I will go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help me. No. How to add two cells of Excel price 1 in B2 and price 2 in C2. Price 1 in B2 is C2 and add the total in B2. B2, right? Yes, in D2 I want the total. B2 is 200, C2 is 300. I want it to. So what ChatGPT will suggest? I don't know anything about Excel. So let's see what ChatGPT will suggest. How to add two cells of Excel. Price in B2, price 1 in B2 and price 2 in C2, and add the total in D2. So let's ask ChatGPT what ChatGPT will suggest. See here, everything simply I have to copy and paste it. Everything. See, every step is mentioned. It's written here, click on the cell D2, the cell where you want the total, and you type the formula. So we have to click on D2 and we have to type equal to D2 plus C2. Then press enter. Or alternatively, we can use the function sum D2 C2. I can simply copy this code. Here it is written, simply copy code. See, copied here. And I will paste it there. Let's paste. I will share my Excel. See here. Told me to paste it in D2. This is D2. I will paste it here. Paste it here. Simply copy it and paste. See, I got the total. Miracle. See, this ChatGPT I have provided. This one, sum equal to sum D2 C2. I don't know anything. Another process, alternative process also, ChatGPT told what? First click on the cell D2, then press equal to, then type B1, sorry, B2 plus C2 and press enter key. This process is, there are two processes ChatGPT suggested. So if I don't know anything in Word, Excel and PowerPoint, ChatGPT will provide you complete details. Even you don't have to do anything, simply copy and paste it. Just you have to, a good prompter, you have to prompt, you have to write the query properly, then only ChatGPT can understand. Now we can embed this AI in Excel. We can embed it, but it needs subscription. Okay. So let's try. There are some inbuilt functions of AI here. Here is, you can see spreadsheet AI is there. Can you see at the top? Spreadsheet AI. Because I have subscribed it, that's why it's coming here, spreadsheet AI. AI chat copilot, this is from Microsoft. AI chat copilot, see. Now, there are some functions. AI. See, these are the functions I can use here. You will not this AI.ask, AI.extract. These are AI functions because I have subscribed to it. That's why these functions are appearing here. In ordinarily, you will not get this AI.list, AI.table, AI.translate. These are the AI functions available for Excel. We can embed the AI model in our worksheet. You can embed in Excel, in PowerPoint, in everywhere. Now AI ask, let me ask AI. Use this function. Prepare a list of Sundays. Let's see what this will tell. I've written prepare list of Sundays. AI.ask. And press enter. It's busy. Server is busy. Please wait. See, it's coming. Appear here. Sure. See all the Sundays. See here. Sure. There is the list of Sundays for the next month. Month 1 Sunday, October 3rd Sunday. See here. All the Sundays listed. Please note that this month is the current month and may vary depending on the month and year. See, this is what AI got. Let's ask something more. We have to prompt it accurately. Prepare a table of number 2. What AI will do now? The busy will appear. Yeah, table, a multiplication table. See here. Please note that this table shows the multiples of table 2 and let me know if you need further assistance. See the power of AI in Excel. Don't have to do anything, you have to instruct it. So in this, AI model is embedded already. You have to subscribe any, there are many models available in the market, many companies are also providing you. So better you take, if you want to subscribe from ChatGPT directly. I will explain that later on how you use AI models from ChatGPT in your spreadsheet. Even in a PowerPoint also, you don't have to write a single line for a PowerPoint slide. Just stop. I will show you. Sharing. Now, if you want to create a PowerPoint slide, what will do? Simply you write here in Bard or in ChatGPT, create a slides for the science project on photosynthesis. Create the slides for the science project on photosynthesis. This will create a slides for you. You simply have to copy each slide, slide wise, giving everything. First slide, slide 1, title slide. What should be the title? Photosynthesis, the green magic, unveiling the process, how plants make food. Now, slide 2, you just give the introduction. Slide 3, you just put that reaction, chemical reaction, CO2, H2O, this one, okay. Slide 4, inside the leaf. Okay, slide 5, the light dependent reaction. See, it's very easy and very nicely it's created the slides. Even sometimes we educators, we teachers also need to prepare slides for presentation, for reports, for different types of explanations and all. We can take the help easily and we can modify as per our need. See, 8 slide, 9 slide, 10 question answers. Thank you for listening. See, simply we have to open the PowerPoint and we will copy and paste it there. Nothing. Your slides will be ready in 5 minutes. Just put the images required and you just create the images. Suppose I want the image of this photosynthesis or any plant. You can put it in any text to image creator. Online, many are free also. I will send you the free website from where you will get the create the image daily or weekly. Many sites are iOS means AI equipped sites are generated by the persons and by the different companies. We can use that free sites also, no need of subscription also. Like Alexander, you don't have to pay, you can use it freely. So many more to do in Excel, in Word, in PowerPoint, many more things are there, many more things to learn for proper prompt engineering. I hope you all like my class. Anybody, anything you can message, post your message. Yes, anybody. We welcome you all. How you feel about my class and all, and what are your expectations, or any other way you want to explain all these things, tell me. Yes, teachers, help me. What more you want? Yes, sir, it was very informative. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Chandan sir. Anybody wants to say anything? Because every week I try to fix a seminar on different topics, even in computer also, in science, how a subject teacher, now subject wise seminar, how English teacher, how a science teacher, how a math teacher, how a kindergarten teacher can take the benefit of AI. It's a huge informative seminar. You will be getting many takeaways. I will give you the prompts also, you can practice it at home. And there are many sites I have listed, I will send you, and many more things. Keep in touch in the group. So from next day, I will start a class on little more deep means on a particular topic, particular subject. So this is just an overview. In today's class, I have tried to give an overview of overall, because prompt engineering, if I teach prompt engineering, it will take around 3 to 4 hours in depth. And for different subject, different options are there, different things are there for maths, for science, how will you deal? So if we all educators equipped with all these tools, it becomes very helpful. And also in today's era, you can easily tackle your students, otherwise very difficult to handle it. And it can solve our problems in 5 minutes, hardly maximum 5 minutes for any task. Whether it's preparing a report card or a schedule or your assessment or anything, monthly diary you are writing, anything, you can create it. Honestly, I am satisfied. I'm using this AI for the last 6 months for all of my work. Everything, you can't imagine. So there are many more tools to explain, many more way of presentation, different ways are there for a particular topic. In English also, I'm telling you, how will you present a negative sentence and how will you write it in a positive way, the same thing. AI will do and AI will write for you. Simple example. So these are the different ways of prompting. So we have to learn prompt engineering for learning AI. Also, IoT also classes I will start. If any computer teacher or any non-technical teacher, I will like non-technical teacher, so that I can start from the scratch. How will you build up projects using IoT? IoT is a very, nowadays is very demanding. Simply if you want to control simply a bulb, a simple LEDs, they are light years. If you want to control it with your mobile, you can do it in just 5 minutes. I will explain it from scratch. So subject wise, if I will take a seminar weekly, I will try. Otherwise, next week is not possible. But next after that, next week, again one more class I will give. Just keep in touch. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.